How to install apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So just let me show you how to quickly install any application of your choice on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this also works on all the iPhone 12 series, whether iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to install apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you open the App Store, hang on until the App Store opens. And once you have access to the App Store just like this, you can just come to Apps, click on it, and search for the application you want to install on your iPhone. Or better still, click on the Spotlight search at the bottom right, and then search for the name of the application. Once you search for the name of the application, click on the search button. Then you should hang on for a couple of seconds to see related apps to the application you want to download or the exact name of the application. Then once you find the app you want to download and install on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, just go ahead and click on the Get button and then hang on. In some cases, you'll be prompted to press the side button twice to install or type in your Apple account password. So go ahead and type in your Apple account password. Now, once you type in your Apple account password, go ahead and click on Sign In and hang on. Then once you type in your Apple account password, then click on Install from the pop-up. Then you should see Done. Then the application will start installing on your iPhone. You see that? So this might take a couple of seconds depending on the strength of your internet connection. So you might choose to exit this page and come back later when the application is fully installed. Then once the application is fully installed, just come back here and click on Open. And then there you go. So that is basically how to install apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.